Unboxing the wireless IR. Let's go over each of the components in your new lighting system. Thumb strap, wireless battery charger, charger cable, color band kit, adjusting tool, wireless IR headlight, 3 wireless battery pods. Let's set up your new wireless lighting system. Attach the headlight to the T-mount bracket on the frame. Angle the light to your desired position, then lock with the included adjustment tool. Remove the dust cap from the headlight and insert a battery pod into the light by turning it clockwise all the way down. To turn on the light, wave your hand 3 to 6 inches over the IR sensor on top of the light. The light will cycle through high, medium, then off. Using the wireless charger. Plug the power cord into the back of the wireless charging cradle. Then turn the power switch on the back of the charger to the on position. Insert a battery into either of the 2 channels on the charging cradle by turning them clockwise into the cradle. The charger will begin a quick self-diagnostic of the battery, as indicated by the blinking yellow indicator light. The charge status will then be displayed by the red indicator lights. When charge is complete, these lights will all turn green.